Let's make this session more interesting. We need white sheet, we need pencil, we need eraser, sketch pen or crayons. Now we are taking a turn in the session. Now we will talk about the digital tools. We had already talked about the objectives of Nishtha. We had already talked about the key components, what they are looking forward. Now the real work is going on to be there. Now we have to talk about the digital tool show and tell. Now what you have to do is you have to write the name of digital tool, any digital tool which you use in your classroom, teachers. So white paper is already there with you. Already you have some stationery material. So the idea is you have to write the name of that digital tool, and in quickly, in brief, in one line only, you have to speak about that digital tool, that why you are actually looking forward or why you use that digital tool. A big one, right? Name, so that we can see that big name on the screen. And you have to talk about, you have to share with your friends basically that why you actually want to use that tool in the classroom, or why you are actually using it, what is the benefit. And then we have a talk, little more talk about it. So any teacher who is ready? Yes, smart board. Yes, Devalina ma'am, you can talk about it, why you want to use it, what do you think?
Ma'am, it's very convenient and it attracts the children. The children are very attracted to it. Sometimes we use small pictures. They can identify with those pictures, and some short videos related to their studies or which they can enjoy. And practically, I have seen this method is very interesting, and sometimes we give demonstration of whatever activity we are going to hold, suppose with some clay or whatever. So we can show it on the smart board and they get a practical knowledge. Earlier, when smart board was not there, that time it was not that easy to explain. We used to have a chalk and a board, suppose A. But now through smart board or PPTs and all, we can show them how to write A. And we take photo of the page, classwork page, what we are going to do, then explain. So they identify, they relate very easily. The same
Yes,
picture, the page which is open, they can see it on the smart board in a big way and we can explain there also.
great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your input. Actually, it is very relatable because you need not to do it again and again. Whatever you have done, you can save it, you can reuse it. When you do recall, you can again show it to the children. Again, they will recall, reinforcement will take place, and you are helping the children to relate basically. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, Nidhi, ma'am, you want to say something? Great.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. Very good evening.
Yes, ma'am. I think the role of IFPD is very important in today's era, as students find it very interesting when they see the videos and they try to repeat the same. For example, if we want to teach them the phonics, so I have seen many times, though we try many activities, we make flashcards, we make different modern things. But when a video is displayed, the children try to repeat just after the sound and they find it interesting and they learn very quickly. Same for the tables, like it is a very common thing, but still when the table is going on there, they repeat after that, and after that they get it in their memory so quickly. So I think the role of IFPD is very important. We can show them videos, and even the whiteboard which is given in the IFPD, when we call the children, like for the, you can say, just for the assessment and the evaluation, they come and write on that part and they feel very confident, motivated, when other children also find them that, ma'am, I want to do this, yes, I want to do this. So that is very important, I think.
Lovely. So the idea is teachers are using digital tools in the classroom. That is what they are looking forward basically. and we have n number of digital tools right now, right? But the idea is that we need to understand each and every tool, and the most easiest one we pick it up and we take it, like say whether it is comfortable with my children or not. That is what the parameter which we are looking forward. And in the foundation years, we basically find whiteboard, smartboard, they are very easily usable format and easily understand by the children. But trust me, there are n number of digital models and tools which can be easily used in the classroom, and which will make our classroom very interesting, good learning environment for the children, and the children will also grasp it. Any other teacher who want to contribute? Great. So thank you so much, teachers. So Nishtha basically says use the tools. So here few tools are there in front of you. You had already talked about it. Virtual classes, videos, n number of tools are there.